Alright. A little later in the day than normal for this, but this is William from Williams, Philippines, and today is May 28th, 2024. Sorry about being late. Usually I do this thing while I'm at my job first thing in the morning. This is almost the end of the day here. Anyway, was catching up on some videos, and a blogger in the Philippines, Mike Smith. I won't hold that name against you. I've got an in-law. Yeah. What's the difference between an in-law and an outlaw? At least the outlaw is wanted. Yeah. Anyway. Oh gosh. Didn't get through what I wanted to today, but life happens. And I hope I got a little bit more light in here so that this won't be as dark as the last time. We'll see. Anyway, one of the ones I was looking at earlier was a bit on Stoic outlook on life. And back when I was in Tyler, Texas, there was at the Sally Ann, one of the people there had a book, small book he had me read, and it was quotes or such from Marcus Aurelius. And I kind of think that was him planting seeds for me. Now I find him on the YouTube talking about Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus Anyway, the Stoic from back then, and how to live a better life. And I realized that a lot of the things I've been doing since then have been more in line with that. Part of me has figured out that nothing outside of me is me, and the only thing I can really change is me. The Serenity Prayer. I work on me, not you, because I'd be working on the wrong one if I was working on you. I'm not a brain surgeon. So, yeah. Anyway, I've been trying to do a little bit of checking out of things for the Philippines. I put a few more things into a couple suitcases, trying to get them out of the way so that they're put up, and I won't lose them, because I've already found them and figured out, hey, I might want to carry that with me, so I packed it away. But yeah, I've been trying to improve, me. And you gotta, one of the things I've figured out is, get up and make a plan, or it's and to do something. Hey, plans. I think it was Mike Tyson said something about planning's good until the fist hits, or at least that's the intent of it. We all have a plan. Yeah, it happens. Welcome to Sideways. The question is, did you get back up and continue on, or did you just lay back down and let it happen? I try to stay on the positive and get back up. That's kind of the point of life. Get back up and continue trying. Continue doing. So, it is what it is. And I've become, a lot happier person working on me instead of working on everybody else. Uh, all those other people, they don't stress me out now. Because, well, they're not my job. You know. And, well, that cut down on the workload. The cutting down on the workload means I'm a happier person. Don't get me wrong. I still work. There's a lot of work for me to take care of with me. So I keep trying to work. I just choose where I work, and that's me, not you. So, yay. But yeah, get up and get great. Make a plan to get great. And even if it does knock you sideways, well, today is just today. There's always tomorrow. Just keep getting back up. Wasn't really sure what to talk to about today, but it is what it is. And yeah. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. And it's been one of those strange days. Keep trying. Anyway, I'm Fish, and Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye-bye.